Hey guys, welcome to the first video of Learn how to write Excel macros. Similar to any other programming language, this video will also be about writing a Hello World program. So let's see what is the agenda for this video. First we will see how to enable developer tab within Excel. Then we will try to understand the development environment. We will see where we can write code, the properties window and so on. Then we will go on and simply write a Hello World program in Excel VBA. So let's get started. Once you have your Excel ready, first thing you need to do is enable Developers tab. To do so, right click on your ribbon and choose Customize the ribbon. Or you can go to File menu, choose Options and say Customize ribbon. On right hand side, you will see a developer option. Click on it and say OK. On top, you'll see now a developer option is enabled. It has a lot of other options which says Visual Basic, Macros, Record a Macro, and so on. We'll go through each of it in details in the upcoming videos. For now, let's click on Visual Basic. This is the main IDE wherein you'll write your code, run your code, and make changes to it or debug the code. On the left hand side, you see the project window. This is the window where you will see all the list of open Excels, worksheets within it, and modules within it. Below it, you see the properties window. This will show the properties of any open object. It can be a worksheet, module, or any other control. The right big section is a section where we will write the code. So let's write our first code in VBA. There are different methods to write a code using a function, using a subroutine. We will see all of that in detail. For now, let's simply see a Hello World program. I'm using a subroutine. We will go into details of subroutine and functions in the upcoming videos. I'll say sub hello world. If you notice, sub and unsub are highlighted in blue as they are the reserved keywords in Excel VBA. For this demo, we'll just print hello world in a message box. Message box is a function within Excel VBA which takes in different parameters. We can simply pass a string and it will print that string in a message box. If you notice, I'm not using semicolon to end my statement. VBAs do not require to end your statement with a semicolon. On the top, you see a toolbar which has a lot of options including run, break, or reset. We will be using this frequently to either run our macro, pause our macro, or stop our macro. To run this, you can either press F5 or use this button to run the macro. You see a message box which says hello world. We will write more and see more how Excel works. Before we close this video, let's quickly also see how do we save macros. Saving an Excel macro is different from saving Excel sheets. Generally, you save an Excel sheet with an XLSX extension. For saving macros, you'll save them as Excel macro enabled workbook. Let's name it Hello World. If you notice, this file has been saved with an extension of Excel SM. That's how you save an Excel macro.